Use the yarn, color, and hooks you like, but on my case, I will use Sinfonia with 2.5 millimeters hook, blue and pink. I will show you how to make decrease, but just taking the back loops. First, I will share with you these tips using just one color yarn, but later I will change the color and it's just a little different, okay? Then, my English is not the best, okay, but I will try explain this. You need insert the hook, just taking the back loop on the next point. Just taking the back loop, insert the hook, and later on the next point you will take the back loop, only the back loop, but from the back. Now you can take the loop, take again, and close. That's it. But you can see the result. Insert, taking the back loop, and again on the next point the back loop, but from the back. Take the loop and close. That's it. Now I will make it again because you need to make sure that you take the correct stitch or loop, because it's this one. It's not close, but this one is the correct loops. And the next one, and that's it. Now close together. I'm just repeating exactly the same and you can see better. This is the result. Now the front loops, you can use it depend on the project that you made, because I'm just sharing with you these tips because maybe you can use it on your next design. In my case, I will use it in the next project, and if you continue seeing this video, at the end I will tell you about what is the next project on this channel. Then now I just want to change the color yarn and later explain exactly the same, but after change the color. And maybe you appreciate it a little different. It's just for that, then pay close attention and you can see how to make everything. And that's it. This is the result after made the same, but after change the color charm. Then if you follow this video until this part, you need to know that the next project that we are already working in her is Riley from the movie Inside Out 2. Then I hope you like this video, and if it's like that, let me know on the comment. Then see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye!